Good morning, everybody. Here's an update on the shop wall from the video where I showed insulation installation. This is the finished product of the wall. It's about 45 feet worth of wall space in my shop. That area right there is one of the main support beams. I went ahead and enclosed it to add a couple of features. This section right here will probably be primarily lumber storage. Over here, I have a full-size ice machine that's going to sit back in this corner. Not sure what else there. This area, however, is going to be my miter saw station. I plan to use the plans from Jay Bates. This area right here is the backing and support for it. I have power outlets I just put in that will go in between all the base cabinets. And on this pillar, I added power as well, plus a couple of switches in case I want to either put in more fans or a switched outlet, for example, for exhaust and filtration system. The wood itself, another Craigslist find, good 1 inch thick hardwood cabinet grade plywood. I got 10 4x8 full sheets for about $120. Some guy was just looking to clear out a shop of a property he bought and had no use for it. And this stuff is just rock solid, heavy duty wood. Anyway, I will update progress as the miter saw station build progresses. Thanks, and y'all have a good day. Bye.